Hi everyone and welcome back to the Stay at Home Gardening. Today I'm going to check in with my garden, what's going on. So in this pot I planted melons. I actually planted a mixture of watermelon and cantaloupe in here just to see which one would sprout. Since I had a whole bunch of old seeds, I put a lot more in this pot than you normally would. And I did have quite a few sprout, but as you see only one survived because I had birds come in and dig out all the other seeds. So luckily this guy has survived and his leaves are coming in, so I just got to make sure this pot with the seed stays nice and moist all the time. So it looks like I need a water. It's moist underneath the soil, which is good, but we want to make sure the seed stays happy and it grows since I only have one of them in here. Now in this bag, I actually planted a bunch of flower seeds. So you can see some of them are starting to come up. There's actually a few hidden over there. They still have the seed pod wrapped around their leaves, so it's hard to see. This pot also got attacked by birds, but luckily there's quite a mixture of seeds in here that are sprouting at different times, so I'm having a bit more luck in here than the other pot that I showed you, which has my watermelon in it. So we'll see what comes out of here. This was a mix of wild flowers, so I'm not sure what will grow and what was stolen from the birds. So here we have 3 different pots. As you can see on the right, there is lots of growth. This is cilantro growing. We've got quite a bit. Those were attacked by birds as well, but obviously did much better because they were a little bit bigger. I planted them about a week earlier than the other seeds. And they're doing just fine. Now you can see in my other 2 pots that nothing really much is going on. So when you look closely on this one, there are pink seeds in here. They just have a coating on them. This is peppers, seeds for peppers. Now I have old seeds in this one and none of them sprouted. Not one of them sprouted. So I would say those older seeds are not viable. Therefore, I am just going to scratch this and replant different seeds in here and hopefully something grows. Just like the story of all my other plants, these seeds got attacked by birds. So my biggest lesson in my garden this week is to cover with netting all of my newly planted seeds, since I clearly have an active bird population here, which is just fine. So I don't want to get rid of the birds, but I do want to protect my seeds until they grow up a little bit bigger into seedlings when the birds start leaving me alone.